Hey folks, this is Jaman from Future Activation. Today I will be show you how to work with Mouseover. So what is the Mouseover? Let me show you guys. So in our application, this is our application. So you see over here, option have, you can click it. Is will do that, and some option. So now there is some option. If you take your cursor, example, I'm not going to click here. If I take my cursor to the omen, it will be open new window or drop down. So I did not click here, guys. Again, I did not click here. What I did, I just take my mouse over to the omen button. So what happened when I put the mouse over? So what happened? This windows or this drop down menu is open. So you can select all those things, whatever. So now today I will be show you how to use the mouse over with Selenium. So let's show you guys. So now I already created two test classes. There is no code. I created just two test classes for saving time. So can be short video. Example, I'm gonna click this, close this, and close this. Let's go. Over here I have catalog page. I created catalog page. You don't see any code here unless you have only have page factory initialization here, and over here I created under the test one catalog package and catalog test. So these two test cases don't have any code. I call here before our test the init method from the skip base. So now what I have to do, so I have to use my mouse over action mouse over method, so we can use it. So make sure that whatever we created reusable purpose, not hard coded. So we can use over and over the same method for same class. Okay, so it will be save our time and also organize our code. So now there is a call in Java. There is a call action class. What action class does? Action class is simply move your mark cursor to the element and open the drop down menu. So that's action class does. So let's create action class. So before that I'm gonna create, let's call the action class. So I'm gonna call public void, give the name mouse over. Okay, mouse over. So I give the mouse over. Let me create it for understanding purpose. Mouse over method. So, okay. So now we're gonna call the action method here, action class here. So I'm gonna say actions. See, already have is in Selenium. So actions and actions full equal new actions. Okay. Oh, sorry. Actions. Now inside have driver. Okay. If you don't remember, just memorize these things. This action class can help you to do your mouse over things. Okay. So now cool over here. So now we're gonna create our element. Okay. So it's a web element. What we're gonna move? So we select our element, which is the web element. Yeah. So what we're gonna do here? I'm gonna call here parameter. So easy to for web element. So web element cool and element. So the web element equal element. Okay. So for now I'm gonna not hard coded. I just say this element is this element. Okay. So whatever, if we call the mouse over method, so that time we will be pass our element. So now I say okay. So what our element, we already have action class. Then I say actions dot move to element. Okay, action dot move to element. Okay, move to what element? Move to this element. Am I right? Element. So move to element and then dot perform. Okay, cool. So I saying I calling the action method action class, then I am calling thou create our element and provide our element. Then I say to action class, okay, action class move to the element and perform. Okay, cool. Our code is ready. So now let's find out XPath from our website. So now remember I'm gonna create the omen. So omen, we need a button omen model. So, inspect. Cool. Why is taking time? Okay, it's opening. Somehow my computer is a little slow, guys. So now I'm gonna see this and okay, select this. Oh, select this. So now over here, omen. So I have title omen and this. So now I'm gonna what I can do easily. I can make these three for one XPath. We can parameterize this one. Okay. So what will be happen? We can easily pass whatever we want. So now let's do that. Let's do that one time. So parameterize. So now I'm gonna do here right click, copy the element, copy XPath, command F. So now command B. So over here already have. So under A have title omen. Okay. Under A have title omen. So I'm gonna do over here add, select this, copy this and this. So now I'm gonna use my single quotation for coding purpose and I'm gonna move the L1 because I have L1, L2, L3. Okay, so I'm just moving the L1. So I'm just okay. I'm just moving the dynamic number. So what happened now is omen. Still omen is working. So now and I can keep like that so far. Okay, so it looks unique. So I fall. So now guys, now you say okay, how you think this one XPath we can use for three? Okay, yes, let's show you. I'm gonna t-shirt, not going the dress, t-shirt. Okay, t-shirt over here, the title t-shirt, am I right? If I copy this title t-shirts, copy this and provide here. So left side you see here t-shirt is selecting. If I go enter here again, see my t-shirt. That means whatever the title I provided, it will be work for these three object. Okay, so now I'm gonna copy this one. Before that I'm gonna go back and write down my method. So now catalog. Okay, so I'm gonna say public void home base home page catalog. Okay, so I say home page catalog over here. Cool. Home page catalog. Okay, I provide here home page catalog. Okay, this is I'm just try to organize home page. Okay, so now home page catalog is here. What I have to do, I have to call my I have to call my XPath over here. So I saying I'm gonna before that I'm gonna call the mouseover, because when I call the mouseover method here, okay, and enter this and now asking your element. So you provide here web element. This element will be this element and this element will be action.move element. Okay, so now provide your element. So I'm going to provide directly my element here. I'm going to say driver dot find element by XPath and bring my XPath, copy paste, go here. Okay, this copy paste, cool, and that's it. So now if I say, oh, then you have to provide here, because we are using WebDriver, am I right? So we're using driver here too, so uh, which is not allowing. So what I have to do in Page Factory, WebDriver driver. Okay, cool. And over here, comma driver. Cool. And over here also you have to use WebDriver driver for initializing purpose. Otherwise it will be null point exception. Otherwise, okay, you using driver here, who's driver? So you using driver here, who is driver? So I say, okay, WebDriver driver, this is driver. So now our code is ready. That's it. So now we need to use, this is for multi, three catalog. These three catalog, yes. So one is the t-shirt, one is the woman. So now we're looking for woman, and we already have t-shirt. So we're gonna do that. Over here we concatenate. Okay, we're gonna use double quotation, one plus, it's called concatenate, guys. If you don't know, watch my previous video, everything is there. And now, cool. And now over here I'm gonna pass string. What I'm gonna give this name? I'm gonna give the name catalog, catalog tab. Okay, catalog tab. Okay, I'm gonna give the name catalog tab. So now I provide here. Okay, cool. So now we already have our methods ready, code is ready. Now we have to create our test cases. Okay, so over here I'm gonna say at test. Okay, now why I'm saying at the test. Okay, public void. What's wrong with my computer today? Void, public void. What is the name? Verify Omen catalog tab. Verify catalog tab. Display. So guys, when you create test cases, put the meaningful test cases. What happened? Why is not happening? Test ng. Okay, cool. Why is this happening? Why showing these things? So I don't know. Remove. What to remove? Let's see why is showing. Is the other page showing too? I don't think so. So why? Okay, I think what happened. So now over here, catalog page. This is for this. Why? Let's see. Why is showing that? Does look like. Oh, cool. My bad, guys. So I put this space over here. Okay. Okay. So now I'm going to call that. Before that, you see over here, if you go contract page, over here have we push the actual new catalog is driver, we using the initial the driver. That's what we have to do. So and the catalog page. So now to go here, catalog page, you already have it. So now and then I'm gonna say get catalog equal new catalog test driver. Okay, cool. Now after that, we're going to call our method. So that's method which is already here, uh, dot, which is Mouseover, no, home page catalog. Okay, home page catalog. Now asking your web driver nesting. So we put the driver here and comma and double quotation. You put the omen, omen, this value. So because next test we can use the for t-shirt. Okay, so this value we are using over here. This value. Okay, this omen. So now there's the test already have. So there's the test over here. So let's run the test and let's take a look that actually this test is running or not. Be carefully take a look. The browser should be the display button should be when you mouse over happen it will be open. Right click and run. I'm not put the XML file right now because it's still developing the code. I will need to add the test cases when is successfully developed. Somehow look like my laptop and internet both are slow. Okay, cool. Now will be look like pick up the job. Yes. Wow, it's take time. Okay. Watch carefully and you will be see the woman catalog tab will be open. There you go. I did not use click. So it is open and this option is open. So now over here my test is passed. But you see here guys, if you go inside the home page catalog and this mouse over, I don't use any click. I says perform. Perform means go to the your element. So this way you can use the mouse over. You can use them for mouse over things and use the action class for that. So feel free to ask question in YouTube section, in comment section. If you have any question, any concern, please contact with me. I will be there to help you out.